class, this is Professor Thompson, and I wanted to record a quick video explaining the Teach to Learn exercise that will be due towards the end of the semester. What you will want to do after you log into the class website is to click on Assignments. After you click on the Assignments navigation button here, you'll scroll down to Teach to Learn exercise. And go ahead and click on that link, that folder. And in this folder, it contains all the material that you will need in order to complete the Teach to Learn exercise. At the very top, you should see a rubric, and you will know how I am evaluating you. And then here are the next. Here are the instructions to the Teach to Learn exercise. Now, when you are selecting a Teach to Learn exercise, you want to address in your video blog a new research or new discovery about a social problem or event, a proposed social remedy. Perhaps it's a new way of thinking about a social problem or event, or maybe the podcast is updating or revising historical events. So these are one or several of the components that you can address in your video blog. It does not have to be all of them in your oral presentation in the video blog. Now, the oral presentation, which you will record in Padlet, Padlet gives you a maximum amount of recording time of 5 minutes. And I would say to effectively complete the exercise, I would record about 3 minutes. Okay. All right. So a requirement is to earn credit is that you need to post the episode, the date, and title of the podcast in Padlet. And I have an example of that to show you in a moment. And with the video blog, you're going to connect the social event or the new discovery to a sociological concept of theory regarding race, class, or gender. And it's really important for students to move beyond just summarizing the podcast, but to explicitly address the course material from the textbook. All right. So when you complete your Teach to Learn exercise, you will need to select a theory or a sociological concept and apply it to the social event or the topic that you have selected. And then here is the really important part that I will be listening for in your video blog is how this theory or concept can help us comprehend the social event or the topic or this new knowledge. In other words, how does sociology inform us or help guide us into a better understanding of your topic that you found? Now, how do you find your topic? What you're going to do is you're going to look through the chapter, and perhaps there's a chapter, maybe the chapter on gender, whatever the chapter might be, and you're going to find a particular topic from that chapter. And then from that topic, you will go and find a Google podcast for that. And then you will create a video blog addressing these questions. Okay? And let's see. So here is the the Teach to Learn video blog in Padlet. The Padlet has a password, and for this class, it's fall 2020, fall all lowercase. And so what's the good word here? All you would do is type in fall 2020. You will click on submit. And the first post you will see is a video on how to use Padlet and how to use it. And then the next post you will see is an example from a former student that I had in my class. And so this was from a different class, chapter 12. Chapter 12, I'm not sure if it's on class, but you get the idea. You will tell me the chapter and the title of the chapter from the textbook. Next, you will provide me with the title of the podcast, the episode title, and the date, and then the date of the podcast. And also the link. And what the student did not do was she did not include her name. So you will make sure you include your name somewhere in the podcast. Okay? Make sure you write your name so I know who you are. So include your name in the podcast. Now what I'm going to do next here, let's see, I will move this. I'm going to go into the student mode, and this is the student preview mode. This is what you see when you log into Blackboard. So let's click on assignments and the Teach to Learn, and then we'll scroll down and let's click on the Teach to Learn sign up. So this, so every student has to sign up for a chapter for the podcast. You'll click on there, and then next you're going to click the box here to view the sign up sheet. All right. Now what you have are the chapters from 2 to 13. And for some reason, Blackboard gives preferential treatment to double digits. Those are presented first in Blackboard. So 10, 11, and 12, and 13. And then you have 2 through 9 here. And what you're going to do is you're going to select a chapter. First, I would look through the chapter, and then I would decide, and then once you decide on a chapter, and what you might want to do is have maybe 2 or 3 preferences, rank them in order, in case when you log in, if there are already 2 students who have decided to present on that chapter, then you may have to select another one. Now, I just want to be clear here. Even though the chapters state group members, you are not working as a group. Every person will create their own video blog in Padlet. What I've done here is that I've divided the students into group because I don't want 10 students submitting a video blog on chapter 6. And I would like to divide it up. And once 2 students have selected a particular chapter, then you will have to select another one. So for example, Gretchen here has selected chapter 7. Only one other student can select a topic in chapter 7. After that student signs in, then students after that, they will have to choose other chapters. All right. Now, so that is what you will see when you're ready to sign up. Now, please check the class syllabus. The Teach to Learn exercise, it is due. It's due toward the end of the semester. All right. So here's the rubric, the instructions, and Padlet where you post the information, and your sign up. So select your chapter and then your topic in your chapter, and find your Google podcast. Okay. Well, if you have any other questions about the Teach to Learn exercise, I am available via email. Bye now.